Does this look familiar to you? You may never have appreciated how important your ankle is. Now that it's sprained, the question is, how do you get back to having an active life? Your doctor has prescribed the Aircast Air-Stirrup Ankle Brace for you. It will help protect you from re-injury. It'll also help you walk and pump out the swelling. It's the only brace with patented duplex air cells. It's these duplex air cells that will help push out the swelling as you walk.
For full recovery, you'll have to help your ankle regain its strength, and we're here to show you how. Early walking and some simple exercises will allow your ankle to heal properly with less chance of spraining it again.
27,000 people sprain their ankles every day in this country. That's why proper treatment is so important. You'll be glad to know your Aircast Air Stirrup has been discussed in over 100 medical publications, in articles about ankle injury treatment. Doctors agree that the best way to heal a sprained ankle is to treat it quickly. How do you do that? By using your ankle and protecting it at the same time. Even though your ankle may hurt, it's best to move it as soon as possible to help it heal. The Aircast Air Stirrup will protect you. If you need to, use crutches to help you put a comfortable amount of weight on the ankle. Let pain be your guide. Always use a heel-to-toe step, heel to toe. Walking with the brace will help the swelling go away. Protected use is the key.
Protected use. That's what your Aircast Air Stirrup is all about. And it's easy to put on. For comfort, always wear either an absorbent sock or an ankle wrap under the Aircast brace. And you need to wear the brace inside a lace shoe to get the most support and protection. Now, adjust the heel width by peeling back the tips of the air cells and then pulling on the Velcro tabs. Keep the pads centered and adjust the heel so it's snug but not tight. Wrap the bottom strap around. Now, wrap the top strap. Make sure the side panels are centered along the sides of your leg and over the ankle. Tighten each strap until the Aircast Air Stirrup feels snug and comfortable. Then, put on your shoe and lace it up. Now you're protected and you can start moving. Your doctor may recommend wearing the brace whenever you're on your feet during the first 3 weeks. You may want to wear it to bed. It can take months for your ankle to heal, so wear the Aircast Air Stirrup during vigorous activity or anytime you feel your ankle's at risk. Now, let's talk about something even cooler. It's the swelling in your ankle that causes most of the pain you feel. Remember, protected use. Walking as soon as possible with the Aircast Air Stirrup on will help get rid of the swelling. Ice can lessen the pain. That's why there's a cold pack in your kit. Keep the cold pack in the freezer. To use it, place it in a moist cloth on your ankle. Put your feet up and use the cold pack for 15 minutes at a time. There's also an ankle wrap in your kit. It works with the brace to help with your swelling. Here's how you put it on. Wrap it from the toe up, overlapping it. And remember, the brace and the wrap have different roles. You'll only use the wrap for the first few days. Contrary to popular opinion, a wrap, even a heavier one, does not provide support for your ankle. It's the Aircast Air Stirrup that will provide stability and support. Oh, by the way, heat is not beneficial to healing in the early stages, so don't add heat to fire.
Now we're ready for some simple exercises. As we said, you want to start exercising your ankle immediately.
These are exercises you can do anywhere, so just find a comfortable place in your home or at the office. When you begin your exercise program, you may have some additional soreness. That's normal. But if the pain is excessive and doesn't subside with icing, you should seek medical attention. Refer to the list of warning signs we've placed both inside the box and also at the end of this video for guidelines about seeking medical attention. For your ankle to become healthy and strong, we recommend 3 simple exercises. First, motion. Second, strength. And third, balance exercises. Listen to your body and do the exercises at a level that's comfortable for you. Progress from one exercise to the next as your ankle will allow. Let's start the motion exercises right now. Hold your foot up, then point your toes. Pull back slowly, then out and back. We suggest you try to do each exercise 10 times and that you exercise 3 times a day, or follow specific recommendations by your doctor or therapist. When you finish this exercise, wrap a towel around your foot and gently pull towards you and hold for 30 seconds. Next, try drawing out the alphabet in capital letters with your big toe. A, B, C. Remember, let pain be your guide as you progress. For the strength exercises, you'll use this large elastic band which you'll find in your kit. Here too, let pain be your guide. Use the band to do strength exercises in 4 different directions. First, wrap the band around your foot. Hold it steady, and then point your toe. Slowly relax, point, relax, point, relax. Next, place the band under a piece of furniture that won't move. Wrap the band around your toes and pull your toes toward you for a count of 2. Then slowly go back to the start position to a count of 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Work up to 10 times, 3 times a day. Then, just change position to exercise your ankle in a 3rd direction. Hold your leg like this so it doesn't move, and pull your foot away from the table for a count of 2, back for a count of 4. And finally, the 4th direction. Make sure you keep your toe and kneecap pointing to the ceiling for this one. Pull your foot out for a count of 2, in for a count of 4. Always let pain be your guide. Now for the final kind of exercise you'll want to do, balance exercises. Your balance has been affected by your ankle sprain. A new sense of balance can help prevent re-injury. Start with some toe raises using a wall or a chair for balance. Go up and down. Work up to 10 times, 3 times a day. When your ankle feels stronger, try one leg at a time. To make it more difficult, move away from the chair. Finally, try balancing on your injured foot for 30 seconds. When you can, try it with your eyes closed for 30 seconds. When you can do this, it's a good sign your ankle is better and ready for action.
Remember, the best way to heal a sprained ankle is to use it and to protect it at the same time.
So, walk as soon as you can and wear your Aircast Air-Stirrup. It'll help pump out the swelling and give you protection. You'll only need your wrap for the first few days. It'll work with your brace to help with the swelling.
And until the swelling goes down, you can ice up to 15 minutes at a time to reduce pain.
In the first 3 weeks, wear the brace whenever you're on your feet. And after that, use it when you're active to protect your ankle.
Wear your Aircast Air Stirrup and exercise your ankle. You now have all the tools you need for your recovery.
If you have any of the following warning signs, you should contact your physician. Numbness or tingling in your injured foot. Cold, pale toes. If you're wearing an ankle wrap, loosen or remove it. If the problem persists, contact a doctor. Inability to bear weight 4 days after injury. Excess pain that does not subside with decreased activity. Or increased swelling combined with less motion. For more information about Aircast products, call us at 1-800-526-8785 or visit our website at www.aircast.com.